Eric wanted to do box number 6. Box number 6 for Eric, doing some Bowman Sterling baseball. Bowman Sterling baseball. Slide that over. Good luck, Eric. So we're still looking for a 101, although we've only gone through roughly a case and a half. Got Nick Franklin, Seattle Mariners, base. Box 1, all base on them. Rockies, Jonathan Gray. Got a base for the Oakland A's. Ryan Healy. Oakland A's, Ryan Healy. And base, Shelby Miller. St. Louis Cardinals, Shelby Miller. Pack 2. Pack 2 is going to finish with a redemption. Pack 2 is going to be a redemption. You also got a George Springer, Houston Astros. George Springer, Houston Astros, out of 199. This will pay for some of it. Base for the Yanks, Mr. Cateau. You can talk to Dispatcher, he'd probably buy it from you. Cateau for the Yanks. Got I was so excited I wasn't even going to put it in there. The Rays, Riley Unruh. Riley Unruh, Tampa Bay Rays. Got a ruby refractor. What are the rubies out of? A ruby refractor. A ruby. Ruby refractors, 1 in 62. Whatever the rubies are. Ruby refractor, Justin Williams. Autographed prospect, ruby refractor. Ruby refractor. Whatever the rubies are out of. Got Matt Barnes, Red Sox. So you'd probably buy this one too. Mark Montgomery, Yankees. Got a Diamondbacks. Matt McPherson, Diamondbacks. And got an Astros refractor. Out of 75. Andrew Thurman, Astros. Out of 75. Got a Didi Gregorius, Diamondbacks. Seattle Mariners, Julio Morben. Got a sticker. Diamondbacks. Daniel Parker for the Diamondbacks. And a refractor auto out of 150. Seattle, Austin Wilson, Seattle Mariners out of 150. Got a dual Matt Barnes, Aaron Judge, or Tyler Austin, excuse me. Base auto, J.P. Crawford, Detroit Tigers. Sticker auto, Pirates, Alan Hansen. And a Yankee base. Nick Turley for the Yanks. Last pack. Got Mike Alt, Texas Rangers. St. Louis Cardinals base. Too bad with Cardinals. Shelby Miller, Oscar Tavares. Oscar Tavares, St. Louis Cardinals. Chicago Cubbies, C.J. Edwards, base. And last one, another Yankee. Ian Clarkin for the Yanks, finishing out Eric's box of Bowman Sterling. Ian Clarkin for the Yanks. Ian Clarkin.